Hi, welcome back to Italian Food Boss. Today, a quick recipe. Beef roll-ups with scamorza cheese, provolone, auricchio, whatever you like, in the oven, baked. The cheese will melt and the beef roll-ups will be in our mouth. Fantastic recipe from the south of Italy as usual. Let's start. This is the main ingredient for today. Beef schnitzel or beef slices, really thin. The thinner the better. You see, look at that. Very nice. If you can make it even thinner than this, even better. Now I'll show you what we do. We just pour a bit of olive oil in here, and then we have to massage a bit the meat. So just pour quite a bit of olive oil, because this will allow the meat to stay even thinner when we cook it. And right before we do this, we just turn the oven to about 200 degrees Celsius, okay? And then we start massaging this before we work on the other parts of the recipe. So massage, marinate for a few minutes. Make sure that your extra virgin olive oil gets through this meat. Guarda qua. Beef, very thin. This is important because otherwise they will be not as light to the taste and not as soft. Alright, now we leave our beef slices a bit marinating there with the oil. I wash my hands in the meanwhile, very important. Now I have another container with breadcrumbs and Parmigiano, grated Parmigiano cheese. We are going to add a bit of salt to this, like so, and now we mix them. We mix everything, and what is gonna be, this thing will be basically the base for our meat. We put the meat in here, and then we add a bit of scamorza or provolone, a cheese of your choice. Of course, I use my favorite Italian cheeses for this, which I already cut in small cubes. Vedi? Small cubes. Questo è provolone, auricchio, which I love, as you can see. Very good. So we mix, like so, and now I'm gonna show you. We take one of these meat, very long, this one, and we bread it from both sides. We do this nice operation. Camera lady, can you see? Don't talk, huh? Camera lady doesn't speak. It's a secret. The voice, the face, everything is a secret. But I can guarantee she exists. Okay. So we do this breading. Okay. Look at that. Perfect. And now we do this thing. We take our cheese, as much as we like. Now this is quite a big piece of meat, so I'm gonna add a significant amount of cheese, which is gonna melt, and then we roll it. Look at that, huh? Look at this. Bam. This is what we need to do. We take this and we place it in this pan that is gonna go straight in the oven once we have all of the others. Okay, so now I will keep doing this for all the other slices that I have. If I run out of breadcrumbs or Parmigiano, I'm gonna add more, and in a few minutes I'm gonna show you this tray full of beef rolls. That's it. the last one. Some of these slices were huge. So even if you find smaller ones, still okay. So we've got 12. Look how nice they are. Now, last thing, we probably sprinkle a bit of Parmigiano on top. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut some tomatoes in the middle, just for extra taste. Tomatoes. Nice big tomatoes. We leave them here in a corner. A couple, not too many. That's it. And then we add a bit of Parmigiano, così on top. Just a sprinkle. The oven is basically now ready. Last thing, a bit of olive oil on top. Just a bit on each one. That's it. And we are ready to go. About 10-12 minutes, 200 degrees Celsius, and then we are ready. Now this in the oven. And now this is ready. Look how beautiful they are. Look how beautiful they are. We are ready to try. Which one? Let's try this one. Guardala, mamma mia. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Fantastic. Find me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Guarda qua, guarda. Wow. That's exactly what I want. Look at that. Look at the cheese inside. Look how squeezy. Mamma mia, che bontà. Didn't take long, as you can see. Just some beef slices, scamorza, provolone, and your beef roll-ups are ready. That's how it's done in Italia. Ciao ciao, enjoy your meal.